I've been investing in the stock market since August 25th of 2025, and my first monetary goal is to reach 10K as fast as I possibly can, right, with safety in place. And I started this channel just a little over a month ago, and I want to give you guys an update of what the progress has been since I started this channel. I know that I've been gone for a couple of weeks on making content, but I'm working mandatory overtime at work, and it really kind of gets in the way of me making content. And so here we are on the weekend. It's Saturday, December 13th, and I want to give you guys a little bit of an update, show you guys how much progress I've made on growth since I started this channel. So here we are, guys. We're going to jump into it right now. So here we are on this screen. It says my first video was posted on October 28th of 2025. And in this video right here, we see on the screen here that my balance was $2,522. And this was on the day of filming that first YouTube video. So today we're going to look and see how much progress I've actually made since this October 28th video. Now, for those of you that haven't watched the first couple of videos, I have two accounts in my Robinhood account. I have an individual account where I make a little bit more ETF or individual stock-based investments, and these are where I do my crypto as well, and just a little bit more, I don't want to say too risky of plays because I'm too old to be throwing a bunch of money at a bunch of random stuff. So this is where I make a little bit of my risky investments and just my crypto as well. Now you'll see that I have $2,200. So this right here is almost all of what I said I had in the first video, right? So I want to go over to my Roth IRA account as well and show you guys what's sitting over there. But before I do that, I want to go over what I'm invested in here in case you guys don't know because you didn't watch the first few videos. So let me move this screen over a little bit and you'll get to see what stocks and ETFs I'm invested in. So first up, we have my cryptocurrency, right? I have a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of XRP, and a lot of WLFI. So now in the Roth, you'll see that I have $2,662, right? And you'll see that I have VOO, QQQI, SCHD, the NASDAQ, VUG, SPMO, and ABTC, which is American Bitcoin. That's Eric Trump's Bitcoin mining company that he just started, right? Now you'll see that this $2,662 is more stable than the individual account where I'm making more risky plays, right? This Roth IRA account is what I'm going to be investing the majority of my money in, right? But I also know that these are the plays that are going to be more safer. These are the plays that I'm counting on to carry me into my retirement, where in my individual account, I'm making a little bit more risky plays, hopefully with the reward to pay out in the long run, right? Now, obviously, as I said, this is up more because there's safer plays. Although there are no safe investments, I want to preface that because this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know anything about stocks. I'm learning as I go. As I said, I just got started like 5 months ago. So please don't take any of this as financial advice or anything that you should do. I'm just simply a guy documenting my journey and sharing it with you guys here on YouTube. Now, all of these investments I have set up on recurring investments. VOO, I invest $50 a week in. QQQI, I invest $5 a day in. SCHD, I invest $30 a week. NASDAQ, I invest $25 a week. VUG and SPMO, I invest $10 a day in. And American Bitcoin, I don't have a recurring investment set up for this one yet because I just bought a few shares. I have 71 shares and it's at $1.82 a share. So I'm going to get into those more heavy in the future. I'm going to get into American Bitcoin more heavy in the future. Right now, this Roth is just set on a set it and forget it on the recurring investments. And I'll be giving you guys more in-depth breakdowns over those on the individual videos that I do covering those ETFs. But now the moment that you guys have all been waiting for. So here we have the total of my entire Robinhood. See, it says total in Robinhood. Now I can go over here and I can refresh this screen. And you guys will see that the number stays the same. So I have $4,914. And this is just since August 25th of 2025. So before the end of this year, I will round out the year saving $5,000, halfway to the $10,000 goal that I have set for myself, with a heavy emphasis on paying down debt with the YouTube money that I get from my other YouTube channel. Once I start paying down all that debt, I'm paying down a couple $1,000s a month in debt. Once all that debt is paid off, I encourage you guys to check out the paying off debt with my YouTube check series that I've started. I'll start putting all that money into this account, and we'll really start to see some compound interest take off within the next year or two. So if you guys haven't been watching these videos and you're new to the channel, I really encourage you to subscribe and check out the journey as I go along the way. This whole channel was created to show people that are in their 40s that have not gotten started yet that it's literally not too late and you just got to get started. With 30 years in the market with compound interest, you can make a significant impact in your life for your retirement if you just get started now. So what kind of progress are you guys finishing out the year with? Did you accomplish your goals? Are you even investing in the stock market yet? What's the hurdle that's keeping you from getting started? And what are your goals for 2026? Leave that down in the comment section below, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the channel. That's going to do it for this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, God bless.